Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates, and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. Today I am here because recently my dear friend Dawed Hanak joined the LinkedIn UK Creator Acceleration Program. And based on that, in the following 6 weeks, he will be sharing great content for the academia, also for the scientific community. To start his path, he shared the following question: why LinkedIn is important to your career? And he tagged me, and because of that, now I am recording this video. So that every time that you tag me, I will record a new video with my comments, answers, or something interesting, not only for LinkedIn, but also for my audience. To answer this question, I have prepared 3 reasons why LinkedIn is important for your career. The first reason why LinkedIn is important to your career, it is because it's possible to get technical knowledge. Although it's possible to get technical knowledge from other social media like Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok, on LinkedIn we know that people are here for business and also for jobs. So when someone shares something, LinkedIn, it's natural that it is related to their field of expertise. And based on that, you can verify or you can identify what are the people that share the same kind of professional that you have or that you wish to follow, and based on that, learn from them. For instance, if you are a chemical engineer and is interested in chemical process engineering and plant design, you will find a lot of technical stuffs or technical contents on my LinkedIn profile. Of course, that you will not get an expert with those contents, not mine and not from anyone, but it can give you tips and direction to look further or look deeper for other contents, and with that, build the knowledge that you need to. The second reason why LinkedIn is important to your career is because you can grow your network connecting with people with the same field of expertise that you have. While on other social media, people are usually there for fun, on LinkedIn, as we are here for business and jobs, it's natural that you connect with people with the same objective. If you are able to build a stronger relationship, it's easier to recommend and also to get recommended. And it can shorten the path between your next job or your next business. The third reason why LinkedIn is important to your career, and this is my favorite one, is because you can build your personal brand. And in a few words, personal brand is how people identifies you. Let me give you some examples. If I need someone that has knowledge related to decarbonization or scientific research, of course that I will think about my friend Dawed Hanak, because based on the content that he shares and the connection that he has, I can associate decarbonization also scientific research with him. And now that he is in the LinkedIn Content Accelerator, for sure, he will build a much more stronger personal brand related to that field of expertise. On the other hand, if you think about chemical process engineering and plant design, my objective is that you remind at least my name, because everything that I share on LinkedIn is related to chemical process engineering and plant design. And based on that, you will grow these chances to having invitation for new jobs, to have invitations for new business. So this is something that is very important to you be alert or aware when you join LinkedIn. What is your objective on LinkedIn? In my point of view, your objective on LinkedIn should be get technical knowledge, and you have a lot of people here that can help you. It is to grow your network, and you will connect with people that share the same objective with you. Most important, to build your personal brand or to grow your personal brand, because in the end it is what will guarantee you new business and also new jobs. As I promised, it was not my intention to get this video too long, so if you want to know more about chemical process engineering and design, I invite you to go to my website, jeffersoncosta.com. Just before I go, let me know in the comments if you get something useful from this video. It is a different video from my standard content and would be very nice to have your feedbacks. So guys, this is it. Hope you like it and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.